Hi, I'm Molly Gray. I'm a multidisciplinary neurodivergent artist based in the west coast of Canada.
Just like my doggy.
Today I am going to go over 6 types of materials you can use to stencil print with Pébéo Setacolor Fabric paint. So let's get started. So really I've got 2 categories here. We have single-use stickers, essentially, that would be good for one stencil. And then we've got 3 materials that you could use repeatedly. I have to say the results don't vary that much between all 6 of them. Weirdly, the printer paper has the most crisp lines. With that being said, I think you would only be able to get 1, maybe up to 3 prints with 1 piece of printer paper. If you're wanting to do, say, 5 to 7 print, the cardstock will be your best option. Overall, from a distance, you can't tell the difference between them. It's only when you get really up close that you can see the difference. Then my favorite one is, surprisingly, the packing tape. So out of all 6, the 2 most inexpensive options, I personally found the best. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to feel the same. It's just that's the result that I got. So try them out for yourself, see what you like. Get stenciling, get your Pébéo Setacolor Fabric ink. You can get it at Opus Art Supplies, and if you use code MollyGrayArt, you will get 10% off your order at opusartsupplies.com. Next video, I am going to be painting with Setacolor Fabric paint. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends. Every little interaction helps because I'm just getting started. I'm just a little baby in the YouTube world and I appreciate it. I appreciate every like, subscription, and share.